Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Zoom on your PC or laptop, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Zoom on your PC or laptop, first, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser in your device. And once you're on the web browser, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will now be directed to the download page of Zoom. So now that you're on the download page, you can now download Zoom right here. Right here, you need to choose if you want to download the 64-bit or 32-bit version of Zoom. I recommend you to download the 64-bit version because it offers better performance and stability compared to the 32-bit version. But if your PC is on the lower end, you can download the 32-bit version instead. And after that, your Zoom will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click it to open the file and start installing Zoom. And after that, your Zoom installation will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And once the installation is finished, your Zoom will automatically open. So after opening your Zoom, you can now log in to your Zoom account, but if you don't have an account yet, then just create an account right here. So to create your account, you just need to fill up your information such as your birth year and email address, and make sure that the email that you will put here is an email that you can open because Zoom will send a verification message to you later in order to verify your account. And here is the verification code that I told you earlier guys. So to get the code, you just need to open your Gmail account. And once you've opened your Gmail account, you will now be able to see the message from Zoom right here. Just open it to see the code. And after opening it, you will now see the code, so you can now enter it for Zoom verification. And once you've entered the code, you can now click Verify. And after that, you will now be verified, so you can now continue setting up your account. So right here, you just need to enter your name and the password that you want, and make sure to remember it, since you will need it to log in to your account. And once you're done, you can now click Continue. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Zoom. Now that you have your Zoom, you can now start connecting with others and do meetings online. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.